How to clean up your laptop to make it run faster. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clean up your computer in a way which it will start running faster. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there are a lot of things that we'll need to clear here. So open up your settings. After you open up your settings, simply head over to the search bar and search for startup apps. So the first thing that we'll clear is the list of startup apps. What that will do is that will make sure that your PC is not running with more CPU on the starting of the app. So after you're on startup apps, just make sure that you turn off each and every one of these apps. Make sure that it is turned off, and after you turn it off, what will happen is when you start your Windows device, your startup apps will not consume a lot of CPU, which will ultimately just result in a faster, response time. So that's the first step. The second step is you'll need to head over to your settings again and head over to storage under system. Here what we'll do is we'll actually clear unnecessary storage. So yeah, to do that, just let all of these load here. And after it loads, what you can do is you can remove the temporary files. You can easily clear it out. And if you scroll down, you'll even find recommended, cleanups. You'll see cleanup recommendations. You can clean up your downloads, your system recovery log files, and stuff like that, and clean up a lot of storage. Doing that will ultimately lead to a faster laptop, and that's the second step. Now for this third step, what we'll do is we'll scan for virus. So simply open up run, type in Windows R and search for MRT. After you search for MRT, it'll open up this. So from this, you can just scan for viruses in your device, which you can remove later on, which will lead to a faster speed. And that's basically it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.